Hello friends, welcome to Prod Hut channel. In today's video, let us know about the men's hair conditioners and which is the best among others. The men's grooming world is making many waves by bringing the best beauty and healthcare products. For a long time, men's beauty products were considered vain, as the present times have helped pair beauty and healthcare together for a better body. More men are willing to try new products to keep their handsomeness locked in. One such tremendously used product by men is hair conditioner. Besides keeping the hair shiny and glorious, hair conditioners help maintain hair moisture and provide much needed nourishment for a magnificent mane. Just as you would use beard oil to grow your facial hair, hair conditions help secure your scalp hair's health and provide deep care going far beyond the hair shaft. This blog explains the insight of the best hair conditioner for men in India. Why should we use hair conditioners? Hair, like any other body part of yours, requires attention and care to stay healthy. There are present these overlapping layers on your hair that are called the cuticle. The cuticle is meant to help and protect the shaft of your hair against all external toxins and pollutants. If not properly cared for, the cuticles can overturn over time. And as men shampoo their hair quite more frequently, dullness can creep on your hair faster than you can imagine. Here comes the usage of applying a conditioner. When you apply conditioner, eat healthily, and take care of your hair, the cuticles stay smooth and provide your hair a shiny, healthy glow. Besides the glow, smooth hair is healthier, and thus, they can bear all your hair treatments, processing, and heat applications. Now let's see what the types of hair conditioners available in the current market are. There are more than just a few types of conditioners. However, if you dig deeper, you can find a type for each problem of your hair. These four varieties can help sort through your needs and have a great looking mane. First is the deep conditioner. Just as the name suggests, a deep conditioner applied to hair will hydrate and nourish your hair from the inside out. Hence, the conditioner is used when you are looking for an all-intensive treatment. Hence, the conditioner reaches down the depths of your hair shafts and begins its works from the hair follicle itself. Deep conditioners are used in a time span of 10 to 30 minutes or more, while the rich moisturizing formula helps repair your hair. You could apply it and let it work its magic as you put on a shower cap and relax. Deep conditioners are suitable for all hair types and should be used at least once a week. Excessive usage might make your hair feel greasy and limp. The second is the rinse-out conditioners. Most commonly used conditioners in day-to-day life, rinse-out conditioners are used for a quick fix for dull and lifeless hair. You could use it just as you finish washing your hair or even by just getting your hair wet. Rinse-out conditioners are great because they do not require you to sit through a time-consuming process. You need to leave it in for about 5 minutes and then rinse it off. The rinsing process takes away the excessive formula that would otherwise make your hair look shimmery, greasy, and lifeless. You can find various rinse-out conditioners for specific purposes such as damage control, volumizing hair, shine, growth, and more as needed by you. The third is the leave-in conditioners. If you usually find yourself in a hurry or are always rushing and cannot find time for hair care, leave-in conditioners are for you. Neither are they time-consuming, and nor do they need to be rinsed out. So, all you have to do is take a little quantity of it to apply it to your wet hair as you get out of the shower, and you are done. Just let your fingers go through all your hair, and that's very much it. Leave-in conditioners help achieve a healthy shimmer for your hair, and are often used to detangle your hair after a shower. However, use only a small amount of it, or otherwise, the leave-in conditioner can make your hair look quite greasy. The last is the masks. Hair masks are formulated with thick and concentrated formulas. Hair masks are generally thick and heavy. They can provide good nourishment to hair. Hair masks can deeply penetrate your hair roots cuticles and give deep moisture to them. You can get shiny, radiant, and beautiful hair in no time. The minimum application time for the mask is 15-20 minutes. Get lustrous hair and improve the texture of your strands. Do you know how to select conditioners according to hair type? If not, then don't miss this part. Selecting a good quality hair conditioner can be a tedious task sometimes. You can choose your hair conditioner based on your hair texture. If your hair type is straight and flat, adding a volumizing hair conditioner to your daily regime is important. Volumizing conditioners can add volume to your hair and give them extra bounce. Always use lightweight conditioners or masks for wavy or curly hair types. This hair type is quite tricky to manage as it gets frizzy in monsoon and limp in winters. Look in the bottle, it should be for the wavy hair type. Deeply hydrating masks or conditioners can be an excellent choice for your curly hair. However, this hair type does not contain a good amount of oil in strands, so they are prone to dryness. Always select a conditioner with which is labeled as for curly hair. We have top 3 products, which are our best recommended ones. The first one is the Artha hair conditioner, which is best suitable for oily hair, and the feature here is both men and women can use this product. The second one is the Tiggy Bed Head for Men Clean Up Peppermint Conditioner. The male can use this product with curly hair. The third one is the Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Conditioner, which can be used by people who have dry hair, and both men and women can use this product.